So guys, here is the key to happiness. The C300 petrol, 2-liter petrol engine that puts out around 256 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. And this is the automatic, of course. And you also have the diesel engine, that's C300D, but that's saved for another day. Today we're going to unleash the beast lurking underneath and enjoy the kind of mayhem this thing has on offer. Mind you, this is the AMG line variant. I also love the key. I mean, it has a satin chrome finish to it. So let's actually turn on the ignition. There you go. And let's check the dynamic select. It's by default in eco or comfort, but let's switch to sport. Let's switch to drive mode. Let go of the parking brake. Let's get going. Oh, it's ready to take off. Absolute mayhem. So for now, let's quickly just slow down. Switch this to manual. Whoa. Let it go. Watch it go. This thing is a freaking animal. Whoa. Massive 18-inch Pirelli tires. Aerodynamically efficient AMG alloy wheels, 18-inch wheels, and it has that aero function to reduce drag and to let you cut through air much more efficiently. And that's what makes this an absolute monster. It's an absolute monster. And gives you a glimpse of the AMG bloodline as to what those guys are capable of. Flat bottom steering wheel, all the functions at the tip of your fingers. You can actually change the cluster. You can go into settings and get into individual mode as well. So dynamic select, here you have individual, where you can check the engine map, the steering sensitivity, and the electronic stability program intervention, and the sound is set to Sport Plus. That's okay. And we want Sport Plus. We don't want the individual setting. For now, let's let go, put it in manual, and off we go. Whoa. Look at the acceleration. It takes off like a GT race car. Oh my god, this thing is absolutely mental. Okay, drop the anchor. Look at the brakes. You have all 4 disc brakes. Wow. The downshift really is satisfying. That rush, that adrenaline rush was needed to wake you up. This is like a wake-up call. I mean, it's so damn satisfying. After a hectic day's work, a lot of frustration creeping in, you're just driving back home, and this thing captures your senses, captures your imagination, lets you believe in yourself, cheers you up. Look at the lighting, the ambient lighting, the kind of jet cockpit kind of feel to the aircon vents. This thing is absolute mayhem. And that's what you come expecting. It's 69 lakhs ex showroom, mind you. So almost 70 lakhs for a sports saloon, which is not even a V6. And they convince you because of the kind of character it packs in. Because of this. Oh my god. It just does 100 in a matter of seconds. This thing is an absolute beast, and the way they have tuned the engine, it gives you a glimpse of what's lurking lurking ahead if you scale up to AMG models. I mean, those are absolute animals, but this one is no less. I mean, you don't underestimate it just because it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol. This thing is an absolute vicious, predator that strikes you like lightning each time you floor the pedal and put the pedal to the metal. This thing is absolute mayhem, total firecracker of a proposition. And the lowered center of gravity, the aero designed wheels, everything come together in perfect harmony to allow it, the aerodynamic styling, the long bonnet, everything allows it to, you know, cut through air like a sharpened arrow. Man, this thing is an absolute delight. It's an absolute driver's delight, and you got to be slow down and, you know, mellow and watchful with the speed breakers because of the lowered you know, ground clearance. But apart from that, once you sit in, you have ventilated seats, you have I mean, perfectly weighted steering wheel. The brakes give you enough confidence to drop the anchor even when you're doing close to 200 kilometers per hour. Man, that thing is an absolute animal and a beast. A modern beast, you can say. This thing is freaking awesome, absolutely awesome. And apart from that, the cabin feel, that's what I keep telling, the jet cockpit kind of aircon vents, the massive 12-inch portrait screen, and the massive speedo console 12-inch. I'm sorry about the terrible voice, because I've been traveling extensively over the last 10 days, almost 5 different cities in 5 different days. That's what happens to you when the water changes and the food changes. But anyway, there's a lot of stress, a lot of you know, pressure, because back-to-back launches, you need to, you know, attend all of them, get the latest and the greatest news for you guys. So to appreciate the effort, please hit the like button, share the video if you like pure automobile content with your fellow auto enthusiasts or auto junkies in your friends group, and that's more than sufficient to thank Dino Bhai for the effort. And if you like what you see and want to see more pure automobile content and drives like these where we are actually testing an absolute enthusiast driver's delight, this thing is nothing short of a driver's delight. It puts a smile on your face. You want to push it further and further, and place like BIC is the place where you can absolutely go literally smashing through the speed barrier and push this particular automobile to its very limits. So I hope someday I get an opportunity to do that, but for now, let's head back home and let's you know, enjoy the kind of convenience and luxury. Burmester sound is one of the finest, undeniably, and steering calibration is so damn on point. Also, the suspension, it's not stiff, too stiff to break your back like in some of the Audi cars. The suspension is so damn stiff just to give you a sporty experience that it almost breaks your back. This is not that. This is like a perfect balance, a perfect set or state of damping setting where it gives you, it you know, kind of absorbs the bumps effortlessly, but then it also ensures that it sticks and gives you that kind of confidence while you're pushing it to its very limits. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.